The VBAT is a remarkable vertical takeoff and landing unmanned aerial system developed by Shield AI. Designed with adaptability and efficiency in mind, it is built for rapid deployment and ease of use. The system can be fully assembled by a two-person team in less than 20 minutes and is compact enough to be transported in the back of a pickup truck or a UH-60 Blackhawk helicopter. This design makes it an ideal choice for missions requiring swift action and mobility. Measuring 9 feet in length with a wingspan of 9.7 feet, the VBAT weighs around 125 pounds, including fuel and payload. Its impressive endurance allows it to fly for up to 10 hours, supporting a range of payloads to meet various mission requirements. Unlike many other systems, the VBAT does not depend on GPS for operation. Instead, it uses Shield AI's advanced HiveMind software, enabling it to navigate and complete missions in environments where GPS signals are unavailable or communications are disrupted. This technology has proven its effectiveness in challenging environments, including conflict zones like Ukraine, where the system has successfully operated despite advanced electronic warfare tactics. In January 2025, Shield AI reinforced its commitment to supporting Ukraine by establishing an office in Kyiv. This facility is dedicated to training Ukrainian operators on how to maximize the potential of the VBAT system, enhancing their reconnaissance and operational capabilities. With cutting-edge artificial intelligence and machine learning technologies, the VBAT can autonomously handle complex tasks such as navigation, obstacle avoidance, and mission planning. This autonomy makes it especially valuable in situations where human presence is either impractical or highly dangerous. By offering unmatched versatility and reliability, the VBAT is setting a new standard for unmanned aerial systems in modern warfare and beyond. The Viper 40 is a micro-tactical unmanned aerial system developed by Spear UAV, purpose-built for rapid deployment and precision in demanding conditions. Designed to fit conveniently into a combat vest, this compact drone ensures immediate accessibility during high-stakes missions without compromising its advanced capabilities. Engineered for use in urban environments and challenging terrains, the Viper 40 can be launched from standard grenade launchers like the M320, making it an invaluable tool for modern warfare. With an effective operational range of up to 5 kilometers and a flight time of 25 minutes, it provides ample duration for reconnaissance, targeting, and dynamic mission adjustments. The drone's precision targeting capabilities stand out, ensuring extraordinary accuracy even at ranges of up to 1,000 meters. Its ability to adapt to moving targets makes it a critical asset in fast-evolving battlefield scenarios, providing soldiers with a decisive edge in combat. The Viper 40 is equipped with advanced payloads that include both day and night modes, delivering enhanced situational awareness through automatic tracking features. Its stealth features, including a low noise level, low thermal signature, and reduced radar cross-section, allow it to operate discreetly and effectively in hostile environments. Seamlessly integrating with existing military hardware, the Viper 40 can be deployed quickly with minimal preparation, enhancing operational efficiency. Its compact design and portability make it easy to carry in a combat vest, ensuring it is always ready for immediate use during critical moments. This combination of versatility, precision, and stealth solidifies the Viper 40's role as a game-changing tool in modern military operations. Whether used for reconnaissance or direct targeting, the Viper 40 exemplifies the future of tactical drones, delivering unmatched performance in unpredictable and high-pressure scenarios. The STARStreak high-velocity missile, developed by Thales in the United Kingdom, is a cutting-edge, short-range air defense system designed for speed, precision, and versatility. Capable of engaging threats like attack helicopters, unmanned aerial systems, and lightly armored vehicles, it operates at ranges up to 6 kilometers. With a speed exceeding Mach 3, it is the fastest missile in its class and can be deployed from multiple platforms, including shoulder-launched units, lightweight multiple launchers, and the Stormer armored vehicle. The missile features a rocket-powered carrier that releases 3 tungsten darts, guided by a laser beam system, ensuring precision targeting and immunity to countermeasures. This unique design allows it to engage fast, evasive, or pop-up targets with exceptional accuracy. The operator retains full control during flight, providing flexibility to abort if needed. Proven in service since the Iraq conflict in 2003, the STARStreak has been used extensively by the British Army, Royal Marines, and international customers. The latest lightweight multiple launcher. Next generation adds 24-hour operational capability and supports air and surface surveillance. Portable, adaptable, and highly reliable, the STARStreak remains a formidable defense system for modern military operations. The Rogue One, developed by Teledyne FLIR Defense, is a versatile unmanned aerial system designed for rapid deployment in modern military operations. It features a vertical takeoff and landing capability thanks to its quadcopter design, eliminating the need for additional launching equipment. With a top speed of over 70 miles per hour, the Rogue One offers impressive performance, including up to 30 minutes of flight time and a range of more than 6 miles, making it suitable for a wide range of missions. The system can carry various payloads, both lethal and non-lethal, depending on mission requirements. It is equipped with advanced sensor technology, including electro-optical and thermal cameras, enabling precise surveillance and reconnaissance. Additionally, the Rogue One's innovative fusing system allows it to be safely recovered and reused if a mission is canceled or the target is no longer engaged. Designed for single-operator control, the Rogue One is easily manageable in the field, providing exceptional flexibility. It can be deployed rapidly in evolving battlefield situations, and its resilience ensures reliability even in GPS-denied environments. This unmanned aerial system is an indispensable asset for contemporary military forces, offering versatility, efficiency, and adaptability. ELTA air defense radars, developed by ELTA Systems, a subsidiary of Israel Aerospace Industries, are highly advanced systems designed to detect and track aerial threats while providing comprehensive air situation awareness. These radars are known for their innovative designs, open architecture, and integration of digital radar technologies, which make them ideal for various military applications. ELTA radars have long-range capabilities, allowing them to detect threats from considerable distances. They also feature wide-area search capabilities using strip synthetic aperture radar, which provides extensive coverage. One of the standout features of ELTA radars is their high-resolution spot synthetic aperture radar, which is particularly effective for stationary target classification. This allows for detailed analysis and accurate identification of threats. In addition, the radars offer persistent surveillance over large areas, ensuring continuous monitoring of the airspace. Automatic target detection and tracking further enhance their operational effectiveness, with the ability to identify and follow multiple targets in real time. ELTA radars are also designed to work in coordination with other sensors, such as electro-optical and infrared systems, through cross-cueing. This integrated approach improves situational awareness and response time. These radars are ruggedized for deployment on various platforms, including naval vessels, making them suitable for diverse operational environments. Furthermore, they use digital beamforming technology, enhancing their precision and adaptability. The incorporation of gallium nitride technology allows ELTA radars to support a broad range of frequencies and bandwidths, providing greater flexibility in detection and tracking.